Welcome back, guys, to my channel. Yeah, I know it's been a long time since we last recorded the video, but I've been busy with school at home and stuff like that. But I'm back, guys, and I have some new stuff for today. So as you know, last week was the Supreme drop on Thursday, and I bought myself a sweater and some underwear. I'll not be showing you the underwear, but I will be showing it to you, but I won't be wearing it. And yeah, I would say we actually just get right into it. And I'd say we start with the underwear. Nothing too special. Heinous underwear, uh, just says Supreme on it, right there, as you can see. So, I'll try them on. So I'll try them on, and I'll tell you how comfortable that they are, but I won't show you me wearing them. So I'll do that, and then I'll be back. So guys, I'm wearing them right now. They're pretty comfortable. Not the best. If you have some diesel underwear, they're really good. But diesel underwear is more expensive than Supreme underwear. Or actually, no, they're the same price. I think these cost $40. So, it's a little expensive for 4 pieces of. Oh, actually, 4 pieces of underwear is pretty good for $40. But if you have those $40, spend them on the diesel underwear. It's so much more comfortable. These are still pretty comfortable, but they're not diesel comfortable. Anyways, we get to the sweater. This wasn't a piece that sold out very fast, but I still think it looks really cool. Right here, just says Supreme on it, and it has lots of different colors in the Supreme. And it said sweater, I think, but I think it's a long t-shirt. But we'll see that. Price for it was, I think, $100. I'll check that. I'll be back. So guys, I checked the price. I paid $88 for it. It's pretty good for a long t-shirt that says Supreme on it. And the good thing about this sweater is you can wear it to a lot of things because there are a lot of colors in it. So if you have blue shoes, dark blue shoes, you can wear it. If you have pink shoes, you can wear them. It really does not matter. And I'm gonna be putting it on, so you see what it looks like on me. And this is a size M, I think. Yeah, size M. And just to let you know, these are oversized. So beware if you don't like oversized. S probably won't fit you because, actually, S will probably, if you don't like oversized, go the size below it, because, then it won't be as much oversized as it was originally. But, yeah, let's put it on. Alright guys, as you can see me wearing it, it's oversized. But it's perfect for the shoulder. So actually, if you want to have it not oversized, it might not fit you because the actual cut of the shirt might be too small for you. But I think comfortability wise, this shirt is amazing. I've only worn it. This is my first time wearing it. But me wearing it right now, I can tell you it's very comfortable. And I've heard that Supreme is not supposed to be comfortable, but I think they're very comfortable. And so maybe don't listen to that. But maybe there's some shirts that are uncomfortable. I don't know. I'm not that big of a Supreme fan because I always thought that it was uncomfortable. But now that I'm wearing a piece, maybe I could get some more Supreme. Maybe let me know in the comments what you would like to see, more Supreme, more maybe of the designer clothing or more of the streetwear. You know, I can do anything. Right now, I can't buy anything in stores, obviously, but we can certainly figure something out, you know, through online stores. And yeah, that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Your Fashion Boy.